Meaning of expert system.
Expert system.
Expert system.
Expert system.
Expert system. An expert system is a computer program that uses artificial intelligence to mimic the problem-solving capabilities of a human expert in a specific field. It utilizes knowledge from various sources, such as rules and data, to reach conclusions or provide recommendations. Expert systems are designed to solve complex problems efficiently and accurately while reducing the risk of human error. These systems can be used in various fields, including medicine, engineering, and finance, to make informed decisions and improve overall performance. Overall, an expert system helps to replicate human expertise and improve efficiency in decision-making processes.